What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a new electric bike for your viewing pleasure. This is my new Puckipuppy Beagle, and this color is called Bionic Camouflage. Let me get you up a little bit closer so you can actually see what that camouflage looks like. I love the camouflage look of this fat tire e-bike. 26 by 4 inch fat tires, and guys, as far as e-bikes go, this one has a lot to offer at a very affordable price. This is one of the lowest priced electric bikes on the market right now, and the quality of this thing is absolutely insane. Right now, this bike is $1,099. That's right. Normally it's $1,799.99. You can, if you qualify, you can finance this with a firm, guys. You can get it for $62 a month, as low as $62 a month. And they give you a free accessory pack worth $320. So why don't we start down here at the motor. You're looking at a 750 watt motor that is 1,000 watt peak. And you'll be able to get about 60 miles of range out of this approximately. Top speed's supposed to be about 28 miles an hour. And payload capacity, 400 pounds. Now, one of the things I love most about this bike is the screen. It's got a very nice color screen, very intuitive, easy to use, 5 levels of pedal assist, 7-speed Shimano shifter, and you have the ergonomic hand grips. I love that. A dedicated headlight button down here is really nice too. Horn button is at the very bottom. Power and then pedal assist up and down. Hold both of them as usual to get into the menu system. You do not get hydraulic brakes. These are your old school brakes, but you do get a shelf on the back. You get a tail light. You get a headlight. And like I said, you have a dedicated light button, which is right here. Just look at that. Look at how bright those projection lights are. Very bottom button is dedicated for the lights. And hopefully you can see the tail light up right there. Very nice. And the seat. I cannot give enough compliments to this seat. As of the making of this video, this is now my most favorite seat ever. It is the most comfortable seat I have ever been on a bike before. It is exceptional. All right, now that we got that down, I think it's time to take this thing out for a ride. Let's see how it does on and off the road. Okay, I'm going to start out with just a little bit of pedaling. I've got it all the way up at pedal. Whoa! Pedal assist 5. Good Lord. Okay, pedal assist 5. Get ready, because shit. Wow, yeah. Boy, she gets it on pedal assist 5. I'm barely pedaling and I'm doing 20 miles an hour. She takes off without a doubt. Let's slow it down some, guys. We're doing just about 20. Let's slow it down some. All right. I can shift through the gears some. I was in second gear on that run. Let's see if it makes any difference as I pick up through the gears a little bit. I'm all the way up in 7 now. Very little effort is required when pedaling. That's nice. Now, not so nice if you're looking to get some real exercise, but remember, I'm on pedal assist 5, guys. I've got her cranked all the way up. If you want to crank her down some, let's tone it down to about 3. Let's tone it down to 2. All right, pedal assist on number 2. Definitely more effort required from pedaling. Let's drop her down to pedal assist 1. Just see, oh yeah, oh wow. Way more effort on pedal assist 1. All right, so very good. You can get your workout in if that's what you're looking for, or you can crank her all the way to pedal assist 5, do very little pedaling, and just hammer on it. Brakes, very good. Let's turn this thing around real quick, guys, without getting run over. Take her off-road. See how she does in the dirt and the grass. All right, you ready for this? I'm gonna crank the pedal assist up just a little bit. Front suspension, yes, with lockouts and adjustable dampening. Rear suspension is a no. With that said, that seat is unbelievable. It adapts very well to all of these massive bumps. We're going over some gnarly stuff over here, guys. No joke. This is a pretty rugged piece of terrain right here. I'm sure you can hear it in my voice. I'm trying not to go too fast, but the bike is handling it just fine. We're gonna cross over right about here, going uphill. Not too bad either, guys. She's torquey. She's got enough torque to get the job done. Across and over. Hopefully there's no snakes that are gonna try to jump up and bite me. Very nice. Nicely done. Now we can pick up some speed. Let's see about climbing. So we got some rocks over here. Let's see how it does climbing those up. That was a big stick I just ran over to. Let's see how it does right here. Yes, yes. Come on, do it, do it, do it, do it. Almost, come on. We made it. That was tough. That was tough. And it probably didn't help that I was only in pedal assist 5 on that. Whew, or pedal assist 2, I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. Guys, we've done this before. I'm gonna do it again. Let's take it off of the rugged terrain here and let's get her onto some flat road. All right, let's go. Let's do it to it. You're not gonna beat this bike for the price, guys. And if you're not into the camouflage, no big deal. They got plenty of other colors too. Now we saw a top speed of 28 miles an hour on the website, but it looks like we're stuck at class 2 here, guys. I'm doing 20.9. That's all she's giving me. It's 20.9. Yeah, that's it. So there might be something in the settings that we could try to get into and change the top speed. But as it is set up out of the box, you're looking at about 20 miles an hour. You'll occasionally hit 22, and that's going to be about it. So that's a tad bit on the disappointing side. But again, something to consider is how much bike you're getting for $1,000, guys. Look around at e-bikes for sale, and you know, $1,000, that's really at the bottom end of a decent e-bike, guys. I mean, really the bottom end. And you are getting a whole lot of bike for that money. And then you can even finance it. You know, if you qualify for financing, you don't even have to pay for all of it up front. You get that 0% financing, guys, and you're just borrowing money for free. Doesn't even cost you anything. You don't even have to come up off of that $1,000. So I'm still happy with the bike. Going uphill, throttle alone, 18.3 miles an hour, not a problem. I think the bike's got more in it, is what I'm trying to say, guys. If it can handle going uphill at 18.9 miles an hour, then I think she could probably do over 20 miles an hour on a relatively flat surface, right? That's where I'm at with it. Let's see if we pedal. Can we get it up any faster? Let's see. Ah, there it is. Yep, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'm pedaling, doing 29.5. There it is. I knew she had more in her. I knew she had more in her. I'm cruising 29 miles an hour pedaling. Okay. Got it. Understood. So on throttle alone, you're looking 20, 22 miles an hour. Let's see if we got any cars coming. Yep. Sure don't want to get run over out here. All right. Well, that's a lot of water. Dang, he's got that thing loaded up. All right. So 20, 22 miles an hour on throttle alone. You give her the pedal, and this thing go almost 30 mile an hour, guys. That's no joke. That's no joke. Like 30 miles an hour, 29. That's crazy. Brakes. I'm still trying to get used to the old school brakes. You guys know me. I'm a big fan of hydraulic brakes. But I'm doing 25. Let's hit the brakes and slow down. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. The brakes are decent, guys. Brakes are decent. And we'll take off again. Very comfortable bike, and I attribute most of that to the seat. I'm telling you, that's a big bump. I knew it was there. I hit it anyway just to see. This seat is like next level comfort for a bike. I wish more bike manufacturers would start focusing on the rider's comfort. You know, the seat is probably, in conjunction with the shock absorbers, the seat is probably one of the biggest contributing factors to whether a rider is going to be comfortable on their bike ride or not. And it seems like a lot of these bike manufacturers, they send out some cheap seats and they're like, here you go, deal with it. You want something better, go buy it yourself. I think they could really learn something from Puckipuppy here. The Beagle seat is absolutely comfortable. All right, you know the routine. Let's start heading back. Let's try not to get run over or mulched up by this riding mower up here. I'll tell you what, the pedaling aspect is really a whole lot more fun, in my opinion. The throttle's great. I mean, you can just hit it and go. That's fine. But on this particular bike, it doesn't. I don't feel this way about all bikes, okay? But on this particular bike, I actually enjoy the pedaling. I feel like I'm really getting something out of it. Plus, I still get to go fast. And I think the best part, the smartest thing they did with this, is they made it to where if you're going to be lazy and use the throttle alone, well, you're not going to go very fast, right? Using the throttle alone is only going to get you 20 miles an hour. You want any better than that? You want to go fast? Well, you got to work for it. You got to put in that effort. I like that. It's kind of ingenious, really. All right, here we go, downhill. You know what that means. I'm going to pedal. And we're going to see if we can break 30 miles an hour going downhill. 30, did it. Bingo, 31, 32, 32, that's all I'm gonna get. I can't do better. I can't do anymore. It's 32 miles an hour. Wow, oh, man. I'm maintaining 30 right now, guys, 30. 29, come on, 30. There we go, 31. Yeah, I'm holding steady, 31 miles an hour, 31.4. Well, I'm getting an exercise now. We're getting that cardio in today. Dang. All right, back downhill again. Here we go. Oh my. 33, 34, 35, 35. I can't do any faster. Woo! Oh my. Oh man. Oh man. Going uphill 22 miles an hour, holding strong. 21. Yeah, we're gonna maintain 21. Pedaling, I'm doing only pedaling right now, no throttle. Woo! Oh, I'm gonna feel that one tomorrow. I am gonna feel that one tomorrow. And we're back. Oh man. Woo! That was invigorating. That was, whew. That was something, guys. That was something. I had more fun doing this bike review than I have had doing most of the bike reviews that I get the opportunity to do. This was fun. This is the definition of a fun bike. It's not just a bike. It's not just any e-bike. This one is actually fun. You really feel like you get something out of this when you're done riding it. Now, I don't know how long this bike is going to continue being on sale for. I'm going to tell you right now, for $1,000, if you are looking for an e-bike, you need to get this one. You need to jump on this one before the price goes back up. I've reviewed so many bikes that are so much more expensive than this, and I would take this one over everything at this point in time. For $1,000, you are getting a steal of a deal on this bike. Yes, you can adjust the handlebars up and down. Yes, the seat adjusts. I mean, this bike has got everything you need. And look at the battery. Here's the great thing. The battery's got 6 levels. This part right here, this inner part, is your battery. The part on the outside is your pedal assist. It goes up as I increase pedal assist and down as I go down, right? The battery, fully charged. It's still above a 6. Miles, 4.7 miles, guys. We've gone almost 5 miles on this bike, and I feel great. I feel amazing. Like, this is one I'd be likely to hold on to. I really enjoyed the ride. It is a very comfortable bike, very intuitive, and the fact that we're able to go 5 miles through, I mean, all of this, up big hills and everything, and we still have a full battery. Guys, this is the one. The ergonomic hand grips are so nice. Thank you, Puckipuppy, for sending me this bike. The cushy seat, the rack on the back, headlights, taillights. Guys, what more do you want from an e-bike, especially one that's this affordable? So you better get in while the getting's good, guys, because I guarantee you this sale price is not going to last forever. I'm going to put a link directly below this video. If you're interested in the bike, go pick one up for yourself. I'm telling you, you will not regret purchasing this bike. Thank you to Puckipuppy for sending me their Beagle. I really enjoyed it, and thank you all so much for watching. Till next time, stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.